The biggest, baddest wire cutter machine on the market today is the MegaBee wire cutter. Check it out. Prepared for heavy industrial use, this machine is equipped to strip various wires, including copper wires, single core wires, multi-core wires, aluminum wires, and sheet cable wires, ranging from 1.5 millimeters all the way up to 42 millimeters in diameter. By factory direct, we've been selling to U.S. suppliers for years. You will find that this machine will save you time and, more importantly, knock out the competition. Before we get started, feel free to insert the handles on the back, allowing you to better maneuver this machine. You're also going to want to make sure that the MegaBee wire cutter is placed in a sturdy location and has surrounding space so that the wires pass through with ease. Now you may plug the machine in. Keep in mind, we can design the MegaBee wire cutter to fit your electrical outlet needs, whether they are 110, 220, 230, 240, or 380 volt. It's fully customizable. Your machine is now ready to turn on. You'll find the MegaBee wire cutter has an easy-to-see on and off switch located here. Always stress safety when using this machine, and be sure to keep kids clear. Once your machine is on, it's ready to be fed wires. By comparing the cables and wires diameter with the machine feeding holes, you'll easily be able to find the most suitable hole to feed your cable through, one piece at a time. 15 gauge multi-core cable, 12 gauge industrial conduit, 2 millimeter single core wire. It's as simple as feeding the machine the cable. It will strip and separate the insulation at the same time. $10 millimeter industrial grade Romex, 14 millimeter multi-core Romex. This is 8 millimeter industrial multi-core wire. It's just that simple, folks. More money, more money, more money. That's what I'm talking about right there. Up to 42 millimeter. This is the big stuff. This is the money. Oh yeah, baby. The MegaBee wire cutter, turning copper into money. After stripping your cables, if you notice that the cuts in your cables are too small or too deep, you can always easily adjust this either using your blade, wheel, or center adjusters. These adjusters are specified in your MegaBee wire cutter instruction manual. Please note, your machine must be turned off while making these adjustments. The MegaBee wire cutter will be your best friend and the backbone of your scrapyard, landfill, or other business, yet still affordable for the average scrapper. Offered at only $13.95 plus shipping. Ocean freight shipping is $195 worldwide. DHL door-to-door service at $450 in the US and $600 worldwide. It's a smart investment. And remember, additional blades are only $19.95. Feel free to call our 24-hour hotline at 1-800-515-5035. Get ahead of the game and order yours today. Visit MegaBeeWirecutter.com now. We also encourage worldwide distributors to contact us today.